Okay, off to Bangkok. Hello Bangkok. We landed in Bangkok about half an hour ago, maybe a bit more. We're now in a taxi heading to our hotel in the center. And Sienna fell asleep. Hello! So, New Year's Eve, it's 7 p.m. in Bangkok and we have no clue where to have dinner or anything like that, but we don't care, life is good. So we spent the whole afternoon in the swimming pool and now we just got out and let's see if we find some cool place to have dinner. So this Italian corner, like street corner restaurant is now full and just a bit after 8. It's funny, mostly with Westerners like us. Food is surprisingly, don't know why I say surprisingly, but it's very good. And we are sitting outside by the main road, but it's funny, some guy will just start to play guitar. Just your New Year's Eve in Bangkok, really. It's funny, having a good time. 9 p.m. New Year's Eve. Sienna is sleeping. What should we do? Probably watch the fireworks from the window. Drinking one beer from the minibar. Something like that. January 1st. So initially we had planned to visit the Grand Palace and most of the temples today, but they're closed. January 1st they're closed, so change of plans. We are going to the BANGKOK shopping center, like I think it's the biggest shopping center, it's huge. There's some stuff there for Sienna to play, maybe do a bit of shopping. So we spent 3 hours in the BANGKOK shopping center. We're exhausted now. We feel drunk. It's huge. Maybe we saw only 15% of it. It's huge. Back on the sky train to the hotel. Let's see, maybe swimming pool or a little break and then we'll go to the night market. Hey, waiting for the BTS sky train. We are going to the night market called the Asiatic by the riverside. And just one stop on the train from our hotel, and then there is a free boat to get there apparently on the canal, so it should be a nice ride. Then we'll have a look in the market and probably have dinner there, some street food. See you later! Bangkok from the river. Good morning. So from the hotel, 15 minutes boat ride, and now we stopped at the pier for the Grand Palace. So today we will visit the Grand Palace and most of the most iconic temples, all the one we can fit in a bit less than a day because we need to spare 1 or 2 hours for the swimming pool for Siena. So today is long trousers and long sleeve shirts for the temples. And it's 9 a.m. or 9:30, something like that. I'm already suffering from the heat. But no choice. Let's do this. Fan. Very nice. Okay, I just got the tickets. 500 baht per adult. Siena goes in for free. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's get inside. This is packed, it's crazy. So many people. It's too many people, it's packed. And it's so warm. I went inside the chapel. It's very nice, but it's very crowded. So I went alone, and now Gabriel is inside, and I'm waiting with Siena. It's very nice, but it's packed. I don't know, for lack of another word. I don't know. And it's very warm. Il fait chaud, Siena? Warm, hot. Okay, we are now leaving the Grand Palace. We're going, we'll walk to Wat Pho, another temple with the reclining Buddha. More gold. Okay, we are now at Wat Pho, the reclining Buddha. Let's go inside. This place is huge! So much gold! having lunch in a very nice little restaurant we found by chance. Maybe 500 meters from Wat Pho. Very, very nice, by the river. With Wat Arun in the back. Very nice. And the food looks amazing. Look at that. Vegetarian pad thai. Some spring rolls.
Number 5 ค่ะราชวงศ์ชัยนาทาวน์ทานเยอะจีด้วยมาร์เก็ตนะคะ Number 5 ราชวงศ์ชัยนาทาวน์ทานเยอะ
Hello, our last evening in Bangkok and Thailand. We fly back to India tomorrow evening. 9 p.m. I think is the flight. And it's 7 p.m. and look at that. Sienna fell asleep 10 minutes ago on the way to the restaurant. We found a nice vegetarian restaurant, walking distance to our hotel. And let's see. I think the day was a bit long for Sienna. It was very, very warm, like 35 degrees, and a lot of people. It's a bit too much, maybe. Then we went in the pool, and now she's sleeping. Tomorrow the plan is to enjoy the swimming pool in the morning and then go to the it's like an aquarium in a shopping mall in the center, and then we'll go to the airport. Yeah, coming to an end. So last day in Bangkok, it's 9:30 in the morning, we just had breakfast and need to check out. Our flight back to Bangalore, India is tonight at 9 p.m. so we need to do something today. So right now we are going to the aquarium. Apparently it's very nice and Ciela loves that. So already 2-3 hours and maybe a bit of shopping, and then the hotel is kind enough to let us use the pool this afternoon, and we can also take a shower and change at the pool before we go to the airport, which is very, very practical, very nice, and at no extra charge, so very, very good. That's cool. So yeah, last day in Bangkok. See you. Hello from Bangkok airport. Sadly the holidays are over. We are currently in a lounge in Bangkok airport and we're flying back in 2 hours. So now we're just having dinner because we didn't have lunch and we were starving. So that's it. Thailand was great. Very good, very good. But like any good thing, it comes to an end. See you on the next trip. That's it. Back to India. Bye bye Thailand.